This is the 2000 watt grow light unboxing. Included in the package is the grow light, power cord, hanging kit, user manual, and adjustable rope hanger. Here we're looking closer at the lights. The side, the back. Here's the power switch. The input plug. And the daisy chain. The lights are full spectrum double chips, 10 watt. Here we're doing a light test. And provide some information to the right. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.